Want to remove the background from your video? Do it in Adobe Firefly in just a few seconds. Go to firefly.adobe.com and open Adobe Express. Next, create a new video project and choose your preferred format depending on where you want to post your content. You can select a vertical format for TikTok, Instagram Reels or Shorts, or choose a horizontal layout for YouTube and presentations. Once your project is ready, click Add Media to upload your footage. You can either upload your own video from your device or choose stock footage directly inside Adobe Express. To upload your own file, click Upload from Device. After your video appears on the timeline, select the clip and choose Remove Background. Adobe Firefly will automatically detect the subject and separate it from the background without needing a green screen. Once the background is removed, open the Edit section to customize your new background color. You can create a clean studio look with a solid color background, match your brand colors, or build a completely different visual style for your content. This works especially well for creator videos, product content, tutorials, interviews, or social media clips where you want a cleaner and more professional look. When everything looks good, click Download to export your final video. And just like that, you've removed and replaced your video background directly inside Adobe Firefly with only a few clicks.